How do you feel about having this free heart screening here at the Comsewoque School District?
I think it's unique in my mind. I've never heard of it being done before. I thank Dr. Kavesteen for his extraordinary generosity. You know, I don't know about you, but I don't have a cardiologist, and I don't think most people do. I thought about it, and I said I would get a cardiologist probably lying down in an emergency room after something bad happened. Then I would need a cardiologist, then I would have one. This gives an opportunity to get involved with my health and with your health prior to something happening. You know, we talk about being proactive rather than reactive, and this is exactly what it is. Have a chance to take a look at obviously the most important function that you have. They don't bury you if your heart's beating, and the idea is after the fact there's damage. Before the fact they can pick things up, especially today with the kind of instrumentation they have, and they can tailor treatment to keep the heart healthy and keep you healthy. So again, I can't thank Dr. Kavesteen enough for coming over here today.
So what's one of the reasons that you did a heart screening for the school district?
As a physician, one of the reasons I went to medical school and committed myself to this lifestyle of being a physician was to help the community. And unfortunately, with all the restrictions that's happening and the restrictions on the insurance coverage, I feel that the relationship between the physicians and community has been deteriorating. My goal is by going to the public places, schools, churches, or other communities, I can facilitate and this trust that has always been between the doctors and the community and patients. I believe this relationship is a sacred relationship, and my goal is to cherish this and improve it.
Do you think everybody should have a cardiologist?
No, I don't think everybody needs to have a cardiologist. I believe that everyone needs to be educated about heart disease and prevention. I believe that in our lifetime, with the new technology, it's easy to detect the disease before the disease actually blooms. It's a lot easier to prevent a heart attack rather than treat a heart attack 3 o'clock in the morning by going to an emergency room and hoping you get the right doctor in the right place. And the most common cause of death in a young adult, about mid-age, 40 to 60, is heart attack and heart disease. And if I can save a life and if I can educate people to prevent the disease, I have done my duties and I have reached my goal.
Now, how do you feel about having your other teachers and other employees you work with here in the district having a free heart screening by Heart and Health?
It's a tremendous opportunity. Obviously, I'd like to keep my faculty and my staff around for a long time. They do a great job here, and I'm, like I said, I'm glad I was able to get this done myself, so that hopefully I'll be around for a little bit longer as well. But it's unique to have a doctor come to a school and provide something like this to an entire community, so that they can assure that they're doing things that are preventative, so that they're not faced with that black cloud of heart disease.
And did you get you screened yourself?
I did. I was able to get my screening done today, and I think I have some work to do on myself. Not too bad, but I want to ensure that I'm healthy and I'm around for my kids for a long time to come.
Would you urge other people that are your age to go out and get screened?
Absolutely, and even younger. You can never be too cautious, and the reality is, as Dr. Kavesteen said, is prevention is really the key right now in education, and this is really the starting point for people so that they understand this is the work that needs to be done so you're not faced with troubles later on in life.
This is a certificate of appreciation to Dr. David Kavesteen, and it's awarded for outstanding service and contributions to the health and wellness of the Comsewoque community through his extraordinary generosity.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Please feel free to visit our website at heartandhealth.com. Heart and Health is a multi-specialty care facility in family medicine and cardiology, specializing in latest technologies in detection of early stage of diabetes and heart disease, in 2 locations in the heart of Long Island, Babylon and Middle Island.